What's up, you guys? Eddie at Fliptroniks. So I'm going to be showing you how to use a controller for NBA 2K Mobile. Alright, so the controller we're going to be checking out right here, it's an extended design. It's freaking awesome. I mean, literally you just pop your phone into it. I'm going to be using the Galaxy Note 10 to do some 2K Mobile with it. I'm already connected via Bluetooth to the controller. But if you want to check this controller out, which I do recommend because it works for a lot of other games other than NBA 2K, I have a link down there in the description, as well as a full written review link on this one. But anyways, let's get NBA 2K loaded up here so we can get some gameplay on it. And if you have any questions about using this controller, just message me below. But it's awesome. I mean, there's no other way to say it. So if you are not using a case, when you put your controller in here, it does have rubberized side grips, which will protect your phone. I just happen to have a case on this Note 10 right now, so I'm just gonna leave it on. But anyways, we're gonna get into some of the gameplay using it, but it's incredible. I'm gonna show you basically how it works on both offense, defense here, and hopefully we score some points and do our thing. Alright, so also this controller has like a nice smooth matte finish design, so it feels really nice to hold in your hand. It gets over 12 hours of battery life when you're using it. I've only had to charge it one time at this point. I've had it for quite a bit. Alright, anyways, let's do this. I'm going to show you controls in just a second here. Alright, so you can see me right here. I'm moving around. So you're going to be able to jump, try to steal. Literally every control on here works just fine. And you don't have to do any adjustments. When you connect this controller, it's basically good to go. That was a nice pass. Oh yeah, we got the bucket right there. That was nice. That was nice. Oh shoot, I left that guy wide open. That was silliness right there. What are you gonna do? Little fake shot, little fake. Oof, almost got that one in. That was a very ugly shot by me. Oh, nice steal, man. Get it. Man, we're just leaving dudes open here. Thank God he missed that. All right, going for that three. We'll step back. Oof, what are you doing, buddy? Alright, I can't believe I nailed that. I didn't want to put that shot up at all right there. Steal it, bro. That would have been sick if he hit that that shot at the end right there. We'll continue this for a second. So I actually started a new game on 2K Mobile here with the Galaxy Note 10. Now, really, no matter what phone you're using, this controller can fit it. No issues or anything like that. You also, once you're connected, you don't have to adjust anything. Basically, all of these controls just optimize perfectly. It's pretty awesome. And you really just got to figure out, what's pass, what's steal, what's shoot. It doesn't take very long. I mean, literally, it'll take you, like a minute or two to figure out, each button. That's a bad pass. All right, we're gonna take that three. Oh man, that's how we do it right there. We're just nailing it. That was nice. Come on now. Come on. All right, let's try to play a little smart here. Oh, we're gonna take that 3. Come on. Trying to go for those back-to-back 3s. Play some defense, man. Wait, did we get... Oh, okay, they got hit with a 3-second violation. I don't know what they were thinking right there. Let's get a bucket here. Wow, wow. Did you see that fadeaway jumper right there? That was unbelievable. But we got the bucket and we left that guy wide open. Come on, someone's got to be covering him. What am I doing? Gonna leave Holiday wide open here. Man, that guy's not making anything for me. I'm gonna have to bench him. Are you serious? I totally got fouled right there. They didn't call the foul. That was a 3-point play. All right, so I hope you guys enjoyed, some of this with, how to use a controller for NBA 2K Mobile. Now this controller is awesome. Like I said, it's got an extended design, connects via Bluetooth. It gets a really good battery life. If you want to check out our full review on it, I'll throw a link down there in the description. If you have any questions about it or, what it's like to use when you're playing NBA 2K Mobile, you can message me below in the comments. If you could also hit the like and share on this video, I'd appreciate it. If you haven't subscribed, hit that subscribe and we'll see you in the next one.